Your legato might not be a left-hand problem. Same phrase, same tempo, different approach. When legato feels stuck, most players try to hammer on harder, pull off stronger, or build more left-hand strength. But a lot of the time, the picking hand is the thing getting in the way. Watch what happens when I pick too much. Every extra pick stroke adds a little reset, and those resets are what make lines feel stiff. So instead of picking more, we're going to steal a note with the middle finger. That is hybrid picking. Take a simple legato shape like this. Pick the first note, hammer the next note, then use your middle finger to grab the next string. Pick, hammer, pluck. Pick, hammer, pluck. The point is not to sound country. The point is to remove the big string crossing motion. Your pick does not have to jump over to the next string so the phrase stays connected. Play it slow and check this. Does the pluck note pop out too loud? Does your hand tense up? Does the rhythm rush? That's the imbalance. Now cycle it like this. Slow enough that the pick note, hammer on, and the pluck note all sound even. Then speed up until it starts to separate. Then back off. Smooth, faster, back to smooth. Now the phrase feels like one motion instead of a bunch of tiny interruptions. If you want to go deeper, I have a full legato workout built around this idea, connecting the hands instead of just forcing the left hand to work harder. That full routine is on my Patreon, link in the description. Your legato is choppy because your picking keeps resetting the phrase. Hybrid picking removes the reset. I'm Jack Erith, and I'll see you in the next one.